Okay, sound check on this KTM Duke 890R. We've got stock headers, Decat link pipe, and the SC Project slip-on exhaust. So let's see how it sounds. I've got a little microphone here that I'm going to place probably about 5 meters back. And yeah, let's give it a listen. Well, it's certainly got that distinct big CC 2-cylinder sound. So yeah, sounds pretty good static, but what I'm going to do now is get some nice onboard footage for you all to listen to.